Hi guys, it's me Swoosh Gang with my cousin, the fams and the Swoosh fams. I am the special guest, by the way. And look what I made, some diapers. And look what I made. This one's light, hers is really almost dark. Mine's dark, but in camera it doesn't look dark. Mine's really light in real life. Yeah. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be adding stuff in our slime and see what's gonna happen. She's gonna be adding slime stuff into it. This one cannot be added anything because this is new. So I'm gonna go make a slime. BRB. Woo! Go make some slime. I'm gonna go make some slime and we're gonna add stuff into it. So she's gonna go make some slime while I talk to you guys. Do you want me to make it in front of the camera? Yeah, sure. We're going to make slime in front of you guys. I gotta go. Oh, that was the one. That was just like her cousin and my brother. Yeah, it was. So mine's kind of sticky, so I'll be right back. I need to go back to water. So you take over my video. Right now I'm adding the glue in. I gotta add the glue in first and then I'll show you the rest of my steps. Gotta get all the glue in. I'm back. I'm still adding glue, but I'm making a little slime for me. Could you give that to my brother? Maybe when we're done. Okay. But first I gotta, as you guys can tell, this is the glue inside the thing. Can I make it? I'm a professional slime maker. So. Yeah. Here, could you play with my slime while I mix it? No, it's okay. I got this. Because if you mix it, it might mess up. No offense. Okay. Your video was took off. Oh, you should go check out her channel. It's Swoosh Gang. So after she finished making that slime, we're going to be adding stuff to it and see what happens. I didn't get to make the slime earlier, but look at that, guys. Look at that slime. Ooh, it's dripping. I barely made this slime right now. Like, right this instant. Oh, by the way, today is January something. I forgot what day. You don't have to tell them. I didn't know, because what if the date doesn't come on? Because every time there's a date, and sometimes there's not, so. So you guys can add perfume to this. I can't smell, because I'm sick. She added 2 different types of shampoo. I added these 2. Can I show them? Yeah. I added this one. That one's green for some reason. Do you want to mix the activator into it? You need the activator into the slime. Can I mix it? Yeah. Here. You can play with mine. Get all the rest out, okay, when you're done. It doesn't stick. I know. Hey, it's okay. Actually. No, it's okay. Okay. Activator is just water with borax. Water and with bleach. Yeah, borax has bleach in it. But yeah, so as you guys can tell, it turns out really. Ew, it looks green in that. It does look green on the camera, but it looks like it's actually coconut. It looks like coconut. Should we call this coconut slime? Maybe, but first we have to fix the slimes. This one has half of my diaper slime in it. And it's only a little bit, right? Yeah, it's really good. It's like super stretchy. But I put water in it, and that's what made it stretch. Yeah, at first it was like that one. And then we started adding water, perfume, and then I added some of the green one in mine into hers. And this is what it made. And then I started putting water in it because it wasn't really stretching. It was coming apart. Right? Yeah. So as you guys can tell, slime is kind of not our lives, but like kind of our hobby. So you guys got to see what it's like making slime with us. Kind of weird, huh? We usually take a long time making it, right? If it's big or small. Yeah. But we're at 81%. We're gonna do part 2 of slime mixing into stuff because we're at look at that 83%. Yeah, look at that. I can fix it. So you guys, until I fix this, I'm gonna. If it takes off, sorry. We could just continue to next video. It's because this phone goes to 90%. I mean, this camera goes to 90%. No, 100%, and then it stops. So we're at 91%. So once it gets to 100, it's gonna stop. So see you guys. Don't forget to like this video. Leave a notification. No, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe.